Good day everyone, I am Evian Verona Tabacon Balanay, a MGT112 student from section RR. So today I will be presenting about transportation management with emphasis on specialized transportation services and transportation economics and pricing. So let's talk about transportation first. So, transportation plays a very important role in business and society kasi it allows the movement of people and goods from one place to another. So, with proper management of transportation, this ensures safety, efficiency, and cost control, which is yun yung pag-uusapan natin. So, what is transportation management? So, transportation management refers to the planning, organizing, and controlling of transportation activities. So, this includes deciding how people or goods will be transported, what vehicles will be used, and how schedules will be arranged. So, the main objective of transportation management is to make sure that deliveries and trips are on time, safe, and cost efficient while making the best use of available resources. So let's talk about the first emphasis of this topic. Specialized transportation services are designed to meet specific or unique needs that regular transportation cannot handle. So these services require special vehicles, trained personnel, and strict safety standards because the passengers or goods involved may be vulnerable or valuable. So managers must ensure that the services are reliable, safe, and comfortable for users. Unlike sa regular transportation services na ginagamit natin on daily basis. So, itong mga services na to, they have specific features para magampanan nila yung purpose nila. So, there are actually 4 types of specialized transportation services. So, first is the transportation for persons with disabilities. So, this type of service naman, it may include a wheelchair accessible vehicles para sa mga PWD natin. And second type, yung medical transportation. For example, yung mga ambulance or any patient transfer services. So as you can see, they are super accessible, madaling buksan, madaling ilabas yung tao and whatsoever. And the third type, yung school transportation. So this focuses on student safety and fixed schedule. So very important sa service na to yung pagkakaroon ng seat belts and any safety gears na needed. And then, lastly, the delivery of sensitive or high-value goods such as medical supplies, electronics, or confidential documents tulad ng mga bulletproof na sasakyan, ganun. So, they are very secured na sasakyan. So, each type requires careful planning and strict supervision. So, let's talk about the responsibilities of the manager in specialized transport. So, managers have a major role in ensuring the success of specialized transportation services. So, managers must make sure that vehicles are properly equipped and well-maintained, and they are also responsible for training drivers and staff, especially in safety procedures and customer care. So, yung mga managers, hindi sila basta-basta kumukuha ng mga driver na basta marunong lang mag-drive. So, they have to make sure that yung driver na yan is capable na mag-train para sa specific job na yan. So, in addition, managers handle scheduling, coordination, and budgeting, ensuring that services arrive on time while keeping costs under control. Okay, now let's talk about transportation economics and transportation cost. So, transportation economics focuses on how transportation systems use resources and how decisions are made based on cost and benefits. So, this helps managers understand how expenses such as fuel, labor, and vehicles affect transportation operations. So, by studying transportation economics, managers can improve efficiency and make better financial decisions. While yung transportation cost naman, this involves um, fuel or energy costs, which are affected by distance and fuel prices. So vehicle and maintenance costs, which cover repairs and replacement, and of course labor costs such as driver wages and benefits. So all these costs must be carefully monitored because they directly affect pricing and profitability. And then transportation pricing. So this refers to how companies set the price of transport services. So prices must be high enough to cover costs and earn profit, but also affordable for customers. So pricing is influenced by factors such as distance, demand, type of service, and competition. So for example, specialized services usually cost more because they require special equipment and trained personnel, unlike sa mga regular na transportation services. So now let's talk about the role of government and its regulations. So, government plays an important role in transportation management because the government sets rules and regulations to ensure safety, fair pricing, and consumer protection. So, government may also control prices, especially in public transportation, to make services accessible to everyone. So, these regulations help maintain order, safety, and efficiency in transportation systems. Let's talk about the key functions of transportation management. So, transportation management actually has three key functions, which are the planning, execution, and optimization. So, yung planning, it focuses on designing efficient transportation systems. Yung execution naman ensures that plans are carried out properly, and yung optimization involves improving performance using data and analysis. So, these functions work together to ensure smooth transportation operations. So, planning and strategy, so the manager focuses on route optimization, load consolidation, carrier selection, and network design to reduce cost and improve efficiency. So during the execution, the activities include shipment tracking, communication with drivers, and proper documentation and freight billing. So sa optimization naman, this uses real-time performance tracking and data analysis to improve future decisions and support business growth. So, in conclusion, transportation management is essential for the safe and efficient movement of people and goods. So, specialized transportation services require careful planning, trained personnel, and strict safety standards. Yung transportation economics and pricing, nakakatulong ito sa organization to manage cost while providing affordable and reliable services. So with good management, transportation systems can achieve efficiency, safety, and customer satisfaction. So thank you, and that concludes my report.